Ranger app store. That way our severe weather alert team can keep you updated around the clock. Now new at 5, can man's best friend protect farmsteads from grizzly bears? NBC Montana's Phil Howard went to find out the impact man's best friend can have.
A study by Utah State research professor Julie Young, in collaboration with Montana Fish, Wildlife and Parks bear biologist Wesley Sarmento, found livestock guardian dogs could be effective at deterring grizzly bears.
And I'd worked on livestock guardian dogs before with sheep ranchers in Montana and elsewhere, and so we thought this might be a good solution.
The study installed the dogs on farmsteads in north central Montana with a history of grizzly bear encounters and compared grizzly activity and GPS collar locations with nearby farms with similar amounts of grain spillage.
The dogs basically created this imaginary fence around the property that the bears were unwilling to cross.
The study found only 5 GPS locations of bears were within 300 meters of treatment farmsteads after the dogs were placed, which was an 87.8% reduction. And there was a 94.1% reduction in grizzlies' total time spent at the farmstead, which suggests bears not only visited less frequently, but also for less time. The study does note that collared bears were monitored during different periods of time throughout the study. Dogs were selected from over 30 breeds of livestock guardian dogs. This first picture is a Kangal standing next to Young, who is 5'4", and this picture is a Kangal Akbash next to Sarmento, who is about 6 feet tall for reference. But once the dogs were installed, smaller mammals such as raccoons, foxes, and skunks were spotted on cams more frequently at treatment farmsteads.
Which means that they might also feel more comfortable when there's not grizzly bears.
After, the farmers were asked a series of questions in a survey ranging from 1 strongly disagree to 5 strongly agree. Farmers strongly disagreed that their dogs were timid towards grizzly bears and strongly agreed that their dogs were aggressive towards grizzly bears and other predators. To read the full study, visit my article on our homepage, NBCMontana.com. In studio, Phil Howard, NBC Montana.